Zeroed out. Zeroed out. Zeroed out. Getting hot out here. Is it the fastest thing ever made? Whoa! Officially, the world's fastest Zonda. World's fastest. 115. 115 mile an hour. Middle one didn't register. 116 mile an hour on the Garmin 301. It looked good. I was sure it was 114. I didn't expect 115 or 116, but I was sure it was 115 or at least 114. 115 again. $115. $116. World's fastest Zonda, seeking 120s. 3674 motors, 2075 kV. Stock little tiny motors. Huge thanks to everyone that has supported me. Pedro, this one's for you, buddy. Pedro has been commenting on mine. He comments on everybody's YouTube channel with boats, but he's been commenting on my YouTube channel since day one. Thanks, Pedro. 116, 115. So anytime someone goes fast, I give them thumbs up. Even if it's not a big number, even if it's just a personal best, I give them thumbs up. But every time one of my boats runs good, someone has a problem with it. Someone gets upset. You know, it's been to the point that people have done videos about me to disprove what I have achieved. So I don't get that. I give everybody else thumbs up. I hope no one's mad about it. 36 millimeter motor. See how you can tell? The motor mount is taller than the cooling jacket. That's how you can tell. You get a thousands. Look at that. 72 millimeter right there. 74 millimeter. 74 millimeter long. I'd measure the can, but I don't know if it'll fit. World's fastest Zonda. It's official. Again, huge thanks to the people that have supported me. Thanks for watching. Since I don't want anybody to be mad, I'm going to sign the boat. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. $116 miles per hour. Don't be mad. 116 mile an hour. Zonda, world's fastest. Stock motors, stock ESCs. Thanks for watching.